Hello everybody, this is Nas Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make 2.36% on your money. But before we get into this video, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more money making videos, and let's get started. Alright, a lot of people complain. A lot of people want to make extra money. They do not know how. They pretty much want the money to fall out of the sky without them doing any work. And a lot of people go online, they research how to make money, but never implement any of the money-making ideas. Or they sign up to a ton of programs, a ton of different ideas, and they start testing everything out without focusing their energy on just one money-making idea. If you take your energy and you spread it out to 5, 6 different ideas, chances are not one of those ideas will succeed. But if you focus on one idea and you give it 100%, chances are the idea will become fruitful and you will start receiving benefits. Let's say you're trying to save some money, you're trying to buy a house or a rental property or start a business or do anything, but you still do not know how to make a ton of money. Nobody ever starts out and magically they make $1 million. There's smaller steps that need to be taken prior to major success. And if you do not take these smaller steps, chances of becoming successful decrease. So what is a small step that you can take right now to make your money grow? It is a high interest savings account. These accounts offer 2% to 2.5% interest on your money. You're probably thinking, what am I going to do with 2%? That is absolutely nothing. But compared to an average bank that offers 0.001, 2% is amazing. So a lot of people do not want to take the first step. They pretty much want to snap their fingers and let the millions come. A lot of people do not want to invest 5 minutes of their time to set one of these accounts up and start earning 2.3% or 2.4% on their money. They'd rather keep their money in a regular average bank account that offers them absolutely nothing instead of signing up for one of these high interest savings accounts with no risk whatsoever and earn 2.3%. If you're not willing to take a small step like this that can earn you 2.36%, what makes you think that you'll be ready to take a bigger step to buy a rental property or to buy a house or to start a business or any other major life decision? Small steps like this have a very big impact on your financial future. If you're just going to throw away 2-3% of pretty much free money just by opening up an account that takes 5 minutes, then you're not going to be ready to make harder decisions that have much more risk but can also offer way bigger returns, 20%, 50%, 200%. Guys, it takes small steps to condition yourself in order to make money. And in this video, I'm specifically talking about the Citi bank account that offers 2.36% on just having a savings account. There's other accounts that offer high interest rates as well. I have a link in the description box below of the 9 top interest savings accounts in America right now. And also, if you make it to the end of the video, I'll have a little screen right there where you can just continue on to that video. There are a ton of benefits of having a high interest savings account. Number one, you get 2 to 3% interest on your money, which does not sound a lot, but compared to zero, it is something. Number two, it helps you save money, and knowing that you're getting some money in return just for having the money in the account, it will encourage you to save even more. And number three, most of these accounts are online and you can set up automatic payment. With automatic payment, you can transfer $50, $10, $5, $100 every week or every 2 weeks or every month into this account, and then automatically watch that money grow. A lot of people tend to have only one account. Their checking that includes their savings, their account where they pay all their bills, it all comes from one account. But this way, it's very difficult to save, it's very difficult to stay motivated. You're constantly seeing that account go up when you get paid and down when the bills are due. But if you have a separate account where every week or every month you take a portion of the money and put it in this account on an autopilot, you do not have to worry about it. It just sits there constantly growing every week, growing, and thus encouraging you to save even more. And when you look at that account and you see how far your money has grown every single week, you'll be more encouraged to save even more. But you will also have your regular checking account where your bills will be paid, and then you can use the money for whatever. Guys, making money is all about percentages. If you're able to make 1% here, and then another idea presents itself where you can make 2% for the same amount of risk, you jump on that idea, you make that 2%. And then after you jump on an idea and you make your 2%, you gain that knowledge, you gain that experience, and then another idea presents itself where you can make 4%. What are you going to do? You're going to do your research, you're going to learn everything about that idea, commit to it, earn your 2%, gain that knowledge, and then on to the next one until you're satisfied with the amount of money that you're making. But the trick right here is you have to start out small. You cannot just take your money, jump in the stock market, and make millions of dollars. You have to start out small. You have to gain that knowledge, gain that experience on your way to success. Everybody wants to get rich overnight. Nobody wants to put in the effort, put in the work, gain the knowledge, the experience for them to succeed in a major way. Nobody's willing to take all these small steps that lead to greatness. Alright guys, I'm going to quit babbling. If you want to make 2.36%, check out the Citi High Interest Savings Account. It is absolutely free, no risk. Takes 5 minutes to sign up, set up automatic deposit, and you'll be making 2.36% on your money. Very simple and easy, guys. Also, I'll have a link to the video that shows you the 9 best savings accounts in America right now that offer the highest interest. So if you're interested in checking that out, I'll have the link in the description, also at the end of the video. Also guys, make sure to do your research. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I do with my money and how I make my money grow. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and see you in the next video. Peace out.